Hello, my name is Pranav, an employee here at Wire2Air, and today I'll be discussing how to use SalesForce Process Builder with our very own application Text Messenger. Start by accessing the Process Builder from the Salesforce Setup page. You can quickly find Process Builder by searching it up in the search bar here. For this video, I'll be showing you how to create a process for a new lead. Just a new lead. So for a new lead, the process would start when a record changes. Save. So the first thing in the process builder is add object. So our object is lead. So you can look that up. Click on it. Only when a record is created. You can click save. First is define criteria for this action group. Criteria name could be new lead. Conditions are met. Find a field. So our field will be the lead status. And click choose. Equals open not contacted. So a new lead comes in, but we have not contacted them. That is the point of this process builder. So once all the conditions are met, click save. You're gonna add an action. So the action type would be Apex. Send action name could be send SMS. The Apex class would have to be Wire2Air SMS message. This is the only way Process Builder will be able to send SMS messages through Text Messenger. So this is where you would add what the text message would be. So it could be thank you for contacting Wire2Air. And you can put some number, or if you wanted to, you can change it and create your own field reference or formula. For now, I'll just be doing a sample number. If you'd like to add a multimedia message, add a picture or something, you can use this and paste in the public URL of the picture. Once you've created the action, click save. Last thing in the process builder is setting this. If you'd like to, you can set a schedule. So it could be a few days after when the record is created, or after an email is bounced, or after it was last modified. Or you can do it days after from this day. For now, I don't need to schedule this. And lastly, click activate to start the process. This has been how to use SalesForce Process Builder with Text Messenger. Thank you for watching.